Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to put together this stool. So just make sure that you have a screwdriver and let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your legs facing so that the holes are facing up. That way we can put everything together easily. The next thing you'll want to pay attention to is that on the legs, you'll notice that one leg is straight and one leg is a bit more angled. You just want to make sure to keep an eye on that so everything goes together correctly. So we'll go ahead and grab our cushion. You'll also notice on your cushion that you have holes on one side that are a bit more straight and holes on the other side that are more angled. We're going to want those angled holes on the angled side of the legs. So we'll put that together right now. Then we can go ahead and put in our bolts. Just put them in finger tight for now until you have all four in, and then you can tighten them completely. All right, once you have all of those in there and tight, we can go ahead and put on these cross beams. And with these pieces, you'll just want to make sure you have these holes facing inwards on both sides. That way they're hidden when the chair's all put together. So we'll go ahead and line this up and then put in our screw. And then the same thing again on the other side. All right, once those are both on, then we can go ahead and flip this piece over so that we can attach it to the other leg. And then we'll also line up these cross beams here. We can go ahead and put in our bolts. Just finger tight until they're all in and then tighten completely. All right, once those bolts are all tight, then we'll go ahead and put our screws in on both sides of the legs. Once everything is all connected, we can go ahead and attach the top piece. So we'll just stand the legs up like this. Bring this over. Then you want to make sure you have the angled legs on the same side as the back of this piece here. All right, and now we can go ahead and put in all of our bolts finger tight and then tighten them once they're all in. All right, once you have everything all tightened, then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new stool. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to WEEZR13OS2.com.